Recent medical research shows that 7 out of 10 seniors who follow these simple steps can successfully manage multiple health conditions, improving their quality of life and well-being. It's not uncommon to feel overwhelmed when dealing with more than one health issue. But don't worry, with the right strategies, you can coordinate your care and stay in control. We're here to help you navigate this journey with confidence and hope. From balancing medications to changing lifestyle habits, every small step counts in leading a healthy, active life. As someone who has worked with thousands of senior patients, I want to share the most important advice about understanding your body and its unique needs. Managing multiple conditions involves recognizing how each affects the other, much like a finely tuned orchestra. For instance, heart health can impact kidney function, and diabetes may influence blood flow. By harmonizing knowledge about your body, you can make informed decisions about your health. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding the connections between your conditions is a vital step towards effective management. Are you concerned about your heart health as you age? You're not alone, and there are proven ways to protect yourself. Recognizing the signs of worsening conditions is crucial. Look for changes in mobility, unexpected fatigue, or shifts in mood, as they might indicate something more. However, it's important not to panic. Instead, keeping a symptom diary can help you track these changes effectively and share them with your healthcare provider. By becoming more attuned to your body's signals, you're taking proactive steps to maintain your health. Managing your blood pressure doesn't have to be overwhelming. Let me walk you through simple, effective strategies. Nutrition plays a vital role in managing multiple health conditions. Opt for a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Consider meal timing. Smaller, frequent meals may aid digestion and maintain energy levels. Try flavorful seasonings like herbs and spices instead of salt to enhance your meals. Remember, healthy eating doesn't mean depriving yourself. It's about making sustainable choices that support your overall health. If you're watching this, you care about your health, and that's already the most important step you can take. Safe and effective movement is crucial for managing health conditions. Engage in gentle activities such as walking, swimming, or Tai Chi, which are suitable for seniors. Always consult your doctor before starting any exercise routine, especially if you have mobility issues. Begin slowly and listen to your body. Remember, the goal is to stay active, improve mobility, and enjoy the process while respecting your body's limits. There's a dangerous myth that joint pain is just part of aging. Let me explain why that's simply not true. Regular medical monitoring and professional care are vital in managing multiple health conditions. Schedule regular checkups and screenings to catch any issues early. Communicate openly with your healthcare team about any changes in your health. They can help you adjust medications or treatments as needed. Remember, your healthcare providers are partners in your health journey, dedicated to supporting you through every step. Managing multiple health conditions goes beyond physical health. It impacts your mental well-being too. Engaging in social activities can foster a sense of community, reduce stress, and improve mood. Activities such as joining a senior club, volunteering, or participating in virtual gatherings can enhance your social network. Practicing mindfulness or gentle meditation can also help in maintaining a positive mindset. Staying connected and mentally active is essential for an overall healthy lifestyle. Remember, you're not alone. Community support can be a powerful tool. In summary, managing multiple health conditions is a journey best taken step by step. Recap the key actions. Understand your body's signals, maintain balanced nutrition, engage in safe physical activities, and seek regular medical care. Additionally, tend to your mental health and stay connected with loved ones and healthcare professionals. Small, consistent efforts can lead to substantial improvements in your well-being. Trust yourself, embrace every achievement, and take the next steps confidently. We believe in your ability to navigate this path with resilience and grace.